Welcome back, guys. This is Hen Keyboard. I bought 132 set of Prismacolor again since I lost several color pencil. As I said in the previous video that I'm going to continue making color palettes or color swaps that I show you guys in my last video. This is the template that I'm going to use. The size is 24mm by 24mm. As for the paper, I recommend very thick paper with a smooth surface. So you could search online and see what paper are really good for layering and color pencil media. As you can see, I already made a template on the paper that I'm going to use. I only made half of the color swatch off camera, and I'm showing you guys how I made it. This is just part 1 of the series that I'm going to do. Please enjoy all my process in the video that I upload on my channel. I'm very bad at explaining everything that I do in the video, so until I get comfortable with myself and my voice overing, I might have a hard time explaining to you guys what is happening. Let's get started. When you do the color swatches, make sure that your color pencils are sharp, and when you do layer, please layer it equally. As you guys watching me make the color palette, you guys are wondering how long did it take for each color. It took about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure when you maximize the layering, go over with the color blender so that it will stay and it will not smudge. After that, I do tape over the color side with a transparent tape so that it will not smudge or get stained from other colors. Thank you for watching my video through the end. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please click the like button. See you guys next time. Bye.